Hi there. Want your photos to look clean and borderless? Let me show you how to print borderless on Epson L3210, L3250, and similar models. It's quick, simple, and you'll get clean edge-to-edge results. Step 1. Make sure your printer driver is installed correctly. First, let's check if your printer driver is installed properly. Right-click on the Windows Start menu, then go to Settings. Select Devices, and open Devices and Printers. Find your Epson printer, right-click on it, and choose Printing Preferences. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the printer settings displayed like this. Step 2. Download and install the Epson L382 driver. Next, open your web browser and search for Epson L382 driver. Then simply follow the steps shown in this video. Once the download is complete, double-click the driver file to begin. Click Setup to start the installation. Make sure to uncheck Set as Default Printer. Then just let the process run. It will continue in the background. When the Epson Printer Utilities Setup window appears, choose Manual. Select LPT1 or any port that is not currently in use, then click OK. Now just wait until the installation is finished. At this point, the Epson L382 driver has been successfully installed. Final step. Now let's complete the setup. Right-click on the Windows Start menu again, go to Settings, then Devices, and open Devices and Printers. Find the Epson L382 printer, right-click on it, and select Printer Properties. Go to the Ports tab. Here, change the port from LPT1 to the USB port used by your Epson L3210, then click Apply and OK. Right-click on the photo you want to print, then select Print. Change the printer from Epson L3210 to Epson L382. Click Options, then open Printer Properties. Under Document Size, make sure the Borderless option is enabled. Click OK, then click Print to start printing your photo. If a message appears saying a different product is selected, you can safely ignore it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and happy printing.